Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to your tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your search data on your Microsoft account. Head over to Microsoft.com and sign into your account. Once you do, click your account on the upper right and you can click this My Microsoft account link here. It's going to redirect you to your Microsoft account. And once you're there, click on Privacy on the left side. Once you click on privacy on the left side, scroll down and you will find browsing and search history. You can click on that, and once you scroll down towards the bottom, you will find the option for search history. Here you'll find the option to download, so click on download your data from here. And what you want to do now is to create an archive. You need to be create an archive first before you can download it. So as you can see, I have one right here. It's going to show you when it's going to expire, but you can click and create an archive. Choose your search history. So for example, I can just uncheck everything else and have a search history selected. Click and create the archive, and it's going to create the archive for me. Depending on how large it is, it will take a few minutes, even a few hours, even a day, or even more. But normally, if it's not so big, as you can see, just over 100 records or 100 data list there, and it just for me it takes just a few minutes. And so in this case, it will take just a few minutes as well. So you will see that it's going to take you a few minutes. And once that is ready, just simple click and download right here, and you'll be able to download it to your PC just like I'm about to click download right here. And so that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. And as you can see right here as well, that it's ready even before, and you can just click the download button to download your search history on your Microsoft account. Pretty easy, guys.